This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Samsung account is signed in on the phone. This is mandatory because Find My Mobile links devices to that account. Once done, make sure location and remote controls are enabled in settings so the phone can be located and managed. Also enable Send Last Location to preserve data when battery is low. Finally, keep Wi-Fi or mobile data on. Without connectivity, you cannot issue remote commands. These steps let you proceed securely and immediately. You now access Find My Mobile via the web or another Samsung device and select the target phone from your account list. When you tap Locate, the service queries the device and shows its last position. This helps you decide the next action. If it's nearby, use Play Sound or Ring. If stolen, use Lock to prevent access, and consider Wipe only as a last resort because it removes remote control. Make sure you understand remote unlock prerequisites if you plan to regain access later. To finish, confirm each remote action completed by checking timestamps and logs in Find My Mobile. This tells you whether Locate, Lock, or Wipe executed. If the device is offline, activate Lock or Wipe. Those commands are queued and execute once the phone reconnects. Make sure to remove personal accounts only after wiping and report theft to authorities if necessary. If things go wrong, first verify your Samsung account credentials, permissions, and network status on the missing device. These are the most common blockers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.